If your device arrives already set up, you can create an Apple ID in your device's Settings app. Tap the Settings icon, which is a gray box with gears inside of it. Before you can create your Apple ID, you will need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, or have a cellular connection if you have a cellular device. To connect to Wi-Fi, tap the screen where it says Wi-Fi not connected. Find your Wi-Fi network and tap on it. Then, input your Wi-Fi password, if applicable, and tap Join. Tap Settings to return to the main settings screen. Next, tap Sign in to your and the type of iOS device you have. Tap Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Then tap Create Apple ID on the pop-up. You will now need to input some personal information such as your birth date, first name, and your last name. Tap Next. If you do not have an existing email address, please skip forward to the section of the video labeled Creating an Apple ID in the device settings without an existing email address. If you have an existing email address that you would like to use for your Apple ID, tap Use your current email address. Enter your email address in the field next to where it says Email. At this point, you can also choose whether or not you would like to receive emails from Apple about news, software updates, and more by toggling the green switch next to Apple News either on or off. Then tap Next. Now you will have to create a unique password for your Apple ID. Please note that your password must be at least 8 characters long and must contain a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Like your Apple ID, we recommend recording and storing your password in a safe place where you can refer back to it later if you need to. Type your password in again where it says Retype Password in order to verify your password, and then tap Next. On this screen, you will need to enter a phone number where you will be able to receive either a voice call or a text message. It is very important that you have access to this phone number in the future, as Apple will use this number to verify your identity if you have any security issues with your device. Once you have entered the phone number and tapped Next, Apple will send you a 6-digit code which you will have to input on your device to verify your account. The next screen is Apple's Terms and Conditions, which you will have to agree to. After reviewing the terms and conditions, press Agree. Wait a moment while your device creates your Apple ID. You will now need to verify your email address to complete setup of your Apple ID. Tap Verify Email Address. A 6-digit code will now be sent to the email address you entered earlier. Find that code and type it into your device. Your Apple ID is now ready to use.